Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to delete materials. So as example, I will insert the cube object, and if you want to insert the material, you can right click, go to assign new materials and use the Hypershade. So I will use shader and then use the A standard surface. I can use the file and I will open for the texture JPEG. So you can searching for your image. So I will use this image and click open. Now we can use the texture tools to show the texture. So we have this example material, and if you want to delete the material from the objects with the name place to the texture here, now you can go to the window and then rendering editors, click on Hypershade. So after it, you can see the texture in this Hypershade, and you can press the delete buttons to delete the texture, and the texture on object will be automatically removed. Now you can apply to another texture, like right click, go to assign material, or you can use the existing materials, Hypershade, and I will use Lambert to apply. So that's it for basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to delete materials.